Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm about to show you how you can sign up into your online banking account of Suntrust Bank. In order to have an easy access of your account detail on your device, you can sign up into your online banking account, which is much more convenient and less time consuming. In this following video, I will be showing you step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up into your online banking account. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and also make sure to follow the step correctly. Just a reminder, make sure that you already have an account, only then you'll be able to sign up into your online banking account. First of all, you'll have to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser that is convenient for you. Once you open up your web browser, on the search box, you'll have to type in the link, that is www.suntrust.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. Next page, you will be directed into official site. On this following page, in the top right corner, tap on sign in. As you tap on sign in, there's a drop down menu. So out here you have a sign in interface. After you sign up into your online banking account, then you'll be provided with the sign in information. In order to sign up into your online banking account, what you have to do is, on this following page, slightly scroll down, and right in between or under sign in, you can see need a user ID. And at the bottom left corner, you can see register now. So you'll have to tap on it. So next page, you'll have to select your account type. So you can see there are two different accounts. So you'll have to select it accordingly. In case your account type is personal account, so you can see under it there are a list of options. Out here, you'll have to select the method in which way you want to register. So you'll have to select on any one of these following options. Once you're selected, the page expands, and over here you can see that you'll have to provide the following information. First of all, you'll have to enter a debit card or ATM card's number, and after that you'll have to enter your debit card or ATM card's PIN. And once you're done entering that, next you'll have to enter a zip code. And after you're done entering your zip code, on the final step you have email address. So make sure to enter the correct information that is linked with your bank account. So once you're done entering all your information, make sure to go through it once again and then scroll down, and in the bottom left corner you can see continue. So then tap on it. As you tap on continue, and if the provided information is correct, on the other page you get to create a new login information or your profile ID, which means that you'll get to create user ID and password. So once you're done creating your sign-in or login information, on the other page you will automatically sign up into your online banking account of Suntrust. So that is how you can sign up into your online banking account of Suntrust in an easy way. So that's all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.